way we abuse women. They are married, but woman penaful be pre and my trauma where she a chain or chihuni. Yeah. Obe bass or in a pepe, tons of bonne pepe, communio be GT. But there is no transformation in the life of that person. Ubruni fita babetena Ghana, etamnyame some pet ne different krum has been able to spread gospel from Accra to Tumu to Paga. And so when you look at the Lighthouse Group, they sat down and studied very carefully the Catholic system, the Presbyterian system, the Pentecost Force system, no, and then the Methodist system. And yet then, a church cannot have anybody who are not raising cripples, they are not opening the eyes of blind and all that, and yet they can have an institution that will spread all over. Sunday people are committed to it. There is no spectacularity. They said, sorry, shaman come bumidi. Why na me mama and me papa? Sorry, no. It sorry be, and all that I say, koha, and you be no benye dia, and you be no pesu hunu ana ote, and nona. But in the Orthodox Church, they don't need that. Me mama, we are the dear ambassador, sorry, unyai, and no see a wound tomb and one woko. Baby, I will be to me to. Say asori no will be a bekan we two akotena baby a ebe nwanwa asori no presby ni bi wo area ho but onko ho de no obetwa kwanya because they are committed to even the memories of that place. They are committed to the experiences of that place. And when I look at our charismatic churches and prophetic churches, I see frivolity, looseness. We jump from here, we get to there, we go there today, we stop, we move here. There is no continuity, no consistency, no persistency, no discipline, no godly character. No, I'm telling you, when you look at me, the same thing in our relationship. Yes, so pen ye waru ni ejao ni akwa waru obi fufro omo enware no osiwepe no asiwepe. One church, they can be able to propose to 5 women in one church, creating and sowing seeds of these thoughts with people. It papa no bra no if a microphone no tonyo no, the girl back who left out here no chire bi no won bi me na person we use so me no me na person another one person me an worry me wait. You could see in a church the blessing of God that should be able to manifest. It does not.